guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a small Dollar Tree haul for you. It is small, but that's okay. We can't always find all the things, right? I think we're in the middle of a switch over for seasons again. Iced latte. Because yum. All right, let's go. Because I got to get to packing for my trip. First things first, I grabbed this. It is a metal pan. It's a very sturdy metal pan with a lid. So this summer, I will be going at least once on July 4th weekend. I don't know what the exact date is, but downtown Columbus with the symphony, they do a picnic. I've done it before. And it's fun. They have fireworks. My neighbor will come with me if she's up to it. She just had some surgery. But what I'm going to make is myself a charcuterie board. And I'm going to put it in here. And this will just go right in my cooler. My meats, cheese, snacks. That's it for me. And then I can throw this out or bring it home and clean it. Whatever I'm feeling at the moment. I'm feeling very not... Oh, and I got this. I don't know if I showed you this, but I got this to decorate my little wagon for when we go down there. Because it's, you know, patriotic. So I got that. So I'm leaving soon. And I know these aren't the best for the environment, but I'm not asking my neighbor who's watching the cats to wash bowls. I mean, they have a lot, but they don't have enough for... I'll be gone 13 days. So, and they get fed twice a day. So that's 4 a day. So that's 4 times feedings a day, 4 bowls. So I got these because she can just mush up the food, put some water in here and lay it down and then throw these away. So that's for the cats. While I'm gone, we don't often use that, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. In July, Luna, my niece's dog, is coming for the week. So you'll get to see her after, 10 days after their wedding. So she's coming here. And I have to stock up on treats for her. Because obviously, if the cats get a treat, she needs a treat. And these boys get treats all day long. They're right here. So I grabbed her some of these. She likes the softer. And these are chicken flavored. Yeah. So, treats for Luna. I have a whole bucket. For my trip, I realized I needed shower gel. Yeah, so I got a container to put some shower gel in. Hi, buddy. I have shampoo, conditioner, and all of that. Shower gel. So, I need to throw that. My packing situation is over here. Oh, and also for the picnic, I'm excited. I got us these. The brand is Joey. I think they sell this at like Walmart or something. Ooh, buddy, what you doing? I got a candle burning here. Wellington. These are wine glasses for us. That they're portable. They're really heavy duty plastic. But you just take the bottom out and screw. I can just show you. Because they'll need to be washed anyway. And they only had 2 left. And I was like, well, how perfect is that? I need to. Let's put this. So you travel like this. And then when you're ready, oh, my nails are soft. I was just doing dishes. You pop this out. And now we have a wine glass. And it's a nice one, but it is plastic. And then when you want to store this after you wash it, I know, isn't that neat? So I got us each one for our trip because we'll bring wine with us. All right, next up, I thought this was interesting. It's a different shape. This was with the craft stuff. Yeah, Crafter Square. But I thought it was an interesting... It doesn't have that... I took this off so we can look at it. It doesn't have that weird bump in the middle. And honestly, I believe, if I'm not wrong, that this can hold, hi buddy, can hold like washi tape and pens. And these come out and you can move them to make different sizes. Oops, it just fell out. Different size sections if you would like. There we go. Yeah. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. And you can put your pens in here and then your washi. I know. I thought that was really neat. We'll see. Yeah. Buddy, what's going on over here with you, honey? What's the matter? Come here. You want me to move this stuff. All right. Here you go. He's not a real confident jumper right now. Come on. Okay. I got you. All right. Okay. There you go. Say hi. You want to say hi to everybody? No. What do you want to do? What do you want? Okay. Are you better now? He's silly. Silly boy. Ooh, okay. I found some fun things. So it might be small, but it is mighty. For my trip, I got some freeze-dried apple. I get those often as a snicky snack. For camping this summer, I picked up these. They are almost like a sham wow, if you will. They're very absorbent, right? So if I get any dew or spills in my car, and reusable cleaning cloth, wipes like a cloth, absorbent like a sponge, reduce waste. I can even cut one, which I probably will, cut one in 4 and use this for my dishes in my sink, because I feel like that's big enough to wash your dishes right there. So I thought that was really neat. Outlast 8 rolls of paper towels. I'm gonna do this. The brand is Enviro Holder. I'm assuming, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cloths, and each cloth is pretty big. But I could cut it down, right? And just use this little square, this size right here to wash dishes or whatever. So I'll bring a couple, probably one cut up and one whole size with me when I go camping, and that'll make sure everything stays tidy and clean. I could actually bring one on my vacation with me, because I was wondering how I was going to wash my, let's cut it now and see how it does, to wash my cups and stuff. I have soap. I'm using my scissors, right, that we should all have near us when we do videos. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Wash my cups, dry, done. Love it. That goes with vacation stuff. Also, that goes with vacation stuff. For my cousins, we are going to, and they're going to do it with me because I basically just told them I was doing it. But we're going to do some junk journaling while we're on our trip if we have any downtime, with receipts and pictures and fun things. So I got them each a notebook, and I like these because they have the bullet journal pages, the dot grid. And this is for Miss Addison. I should see if I can get this sticker off before I go giving it to her. Not that she'll care, but I'm the one that has sticker issues. Most normal people don't. Well, maybe it's not coming off. I don't understand this, Jot. Your stickers that should come off, right? You're on stationery, for goodness sake. Sometimes being in my own brain is hard. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see my latest thrift haul, which you may have seen. I'm not sure when it's going up, but I found a bathing suit, a Land's End tankini top and a 16 long, and it fits me perfect. Okay. So I got them these. 60 sheets, and I don't know how many her mom's has, or Addie's has, but thought they were fun. I will pack, actually, I'm going to see them in a couple days because I ordered our euros. So, yeah. Fun fact, you can exchange euros at your bank. Most banks. I don't know if credit unions do it, but I know most banks do. And I had to pay $15, but peace of mind. And you get the current exchange rate. So today it was $1 US, no, 1 euro costs $1.20 US. So just if you needed to know what the exchange rate is. I found these and I love them. I got my Buckeye magnets. These are great for stocking fillers. So I just put these in with my Christmas stuff. And especially when I am doing my little gifts for the Buckeye people, I can bring these and throw them in. If I find more, I'll grab them. But, I love my Buckeyes. And last but not least, we're going to see what this is all about. It is a face mask. Right? But it's not. I mean, it is, but it's not. So, what it says is, can be used in combination with your favorite serums, moisturizers, or sheet masks. Helps to hold sheet masks in place with no slipping or dripping. I don't know what it's all about. We're going to find out. I think I know. Yes. Yeah, I figured. Oh my gosh. There's ear plate. There's ear. Guys, I'm dying here. So you do this, right? Over your sheet mask. And it holds it in place. I'm assuming we can lift our eyes so I can see. Hey. Oh my gosh, I love it. That is hysterical. And what you can also do, you can moisten this, put your stuff on it, lay it on your face. I bet you could even put this in the freezer. Like, wet it, put it in the freezer. Especially if you get like a sunburn or something. That would feel super nice. But I'm obsessed. Are you obsessed too, buddy? Yeah. We went to the vet. Yeah. Yeah, he's not doing great. Guys, he's 18. I mean, there's not much. Yeah, he's 18. So, when we get back from vacation, he's going to go see a cardiologist. But we're not going to be sad. Okay, so that is everything. Excuse you. That's why. This coughing thing. He got an antibiotic shot for that. Thinks maybe it's allergies or cold. We're not sure, but they just gave him a preventative antibiotic. So when I'm gone, and I got to get some allergy. He's going to start taking an allergy med, just like me. He's going to get some allergy meds. And we're going to go get an echo for his heart. Yes, I know, buddy. All right, so that's everything. Yeah, that's everything I got this week. I hope you've been enjoying my content. I'm trying to make longer videos. And I will talk with you later. Bye.